Okay, and we're back. So yeah, as you can see, my rendering problems have finished, and we've got a nice little Android screen, and we've got a hello world here. Every project starts with the hello world string and all that. We can see our project names here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Sdk Manager. Now, put that in the background. I probably shouldn't have clicked on that as I had opened it up already. But we'll close this one, bring this one up. So yeah, this is the Sdk Manager. It's got all the tools. It tells us what's installed, what isn't installed. Now what I want you to do is go down and see if this Intel 86 Emulator Accelerator HAX M installer is installed. We need this one. It's not really, you can run the thing without it, but it is just not fun and it's not easy. So once you install that, install all the packages it tells you to. Let's delete 2 packages apparently. Now, yeah, once you've installed it, it'll take some time, and when that's done, I think we'll have to reset. If not, just follow me. Click on the Android Virtual Device Manager, which pops up this little screen. As you can see, we've got a nice little phone here. I believe that this one comes pre-installed on everyone. We can run it by clicking this, but we're not going to do that at the moment. I'm going to click the virtual device, just in case you don't actually have this this one up. So once you're here, select the phone that you want to use. Click next. Just click next again, and you can change the name. Now it says right here, Emulator Performance, use host GPU graphical processing unit and store snapshot for faster startup. We can only use one of these, so which one do we use? I would use the host graphical processing unit, or GPU, rather than the store snapshot for faster startup, because this might start a little slower, but this closes slower. And honestly, it's just not worth it. So use the host GPU and click finish. It'll take some time. I had a second one that just wasn't installing as well as I'd like, so I've just left that, and I've deleted that one and just gone with the basic one. So if you guys want to make your own, do it. Just have a bit of patience. I think I might have been a bit too fast to say, oh, it's not working. It might have just been struggling to set everything up. And as you can see here, it's got 1 GB size on disk, so we don't really need to worry about that. Now we can click build and run. So Shift 10. But what we're going to do is, just to get you started, we'll click on the play. Now I've already done this, and just be aware that it does take a while to actually start up, but this is your end result. Granted, you'll have the screen come down, well, not that screen, but the new phone startup screen where you have to slide it up and all that, and then you get to this screen. So we can see here I've already got an application built, but we're not going to worry about that at the moment. We're going to stop here. And next we'll get into how to actually do some stuff on the system and how to actually run and see how it runs. See how the apps run on the system. So yeah, just follow along. If there's any issues, again, just send me a message and we'll get back into this when you're free.